Behind me is our Zhengzhou mixing company. According to customer special requirements, customized to large size, diesel mixing tank with diesel engine power mixing transport, dual use. The discharge chute has a special bi-directional design. Both sides can be unloaded at the same time, and all have extended discharge chutes. Wider discharge range. The tank body is made of AG62OJ high wear resistant special manganese steel. It is 3 to 5 times more wear resistant than ordinary materials. It can not only make sand and stone concrete, all kinds of dry and wet mixture. Granular materials, powder materials can be stirred. Tank material can also choose. 304 and 316 stainless steel materials can be used to stir liquid food-grade materials. This mixing tank, the motivation to match, is big brand Cummins engine, 220 horsepower, with powerful performance, low fuel consumption, saving on fuel costs. The cylinder head adopts integrated design, prevent oil leakage and water leakage, and other phenomena. Low failure rate, trustworthy. Bosses watching the video, what kind of use are you? Start what materials to use? Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions.